Parachute systems sometimes fail to operate correctly. Even when properly manufactured, assembled, packed and operated, you risk serious injury or even death.
You have to read this now.
Did you read any of the manuals?
No, I didn't.
It's okay, don't worry, neither did I.
We've reached the finale. Today is the final.
Yes.
Nobody wants us, so we're gonna jump out of a plane.
This channel just loves Sameer and Gaurav.
I know,
Yeah,
it
mean,
seems
what about
so.
us?
Well, there's one thing I haven't done, and that's call my mother. Have you called family?
No, I haven't. I don't want to worry them actually.
Okay.
What about you?
No, I haven't.
Your mom is going to kill you
Mama,
for this.
yeah, she's gonna
Keep
kill
me
me.
alive.
If this doesn't, mom's gonna kill me.
Yes, and this is definitely going to be the icing on the cake because the finale is going to be as exciting as this is going to be. And we're really looking forward to this. Woo.
Oh my God! Oh my God! And it's very hard to explain how it is. You have to experience it.
You have only one life. You're not risking it, you're living it. So please, go ahead, do this. You have to.
I can't say anything more. I've eaten breakfast in the form of sand and I've had a really exciting morning. What do you call it? Thrills and spills with Jaunty Rhodes. Coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be tumbling down the mountain. She'll be crashing down the mountain. She'll be falling down the mountain when she comes. Yeah! हम खड़े हैं करेखा गेम रिजर्व के बाहर क्योंकि आईपीएल के इस कारवां में एक छोटा सा पिट स्टॉप है ईस्ट लंदन। इस गेम रिजर्व में हमारी खोज होगी फॉर द बिग 5। अब हम बोट पर जा रहे हैं डाउन द रिवर टू द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द गेम रिजर्व। बार बार मैंने जिक्र किया ऑफ द बिग 5। व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द बिग 5? वेल, इन द हंटिंग डेज these were the 5 most challenging animals to hunt down. The first of the big 5, the elephant. The bull elephant matures at the age of 40 and that's when he really starts having fun. Pretty much like the senior IPL players, don't you think? The second of the big 5, the lion. Mike, tell us about these guys.
We've got 2 big males here. They're actually brothers, which is quite rare to see in the wild, having 2 males looking after a family of like 10.
ये रहे the big 5 के number 3, the rhino.
The white rhinos, they do have poor eyesight. They can only see within a range of about 30 meters. That is if it's a moving object. So a lot of people, they would walk up to them when they are such a close range. They have no time to run away or climb up a tree. And looking at their charging speed, when they are fully charging, it's about 15 meters per second. So if anything happens there, you have no chance either to climb up a tree or to do anything.
अब हम मिलते हैं उन शख्सियत से जिन पर से ईस्ट लंदन के स्टेडियम का नाम पड़ा बफलो पार्क। That's right, number 4 of the big 5, the buffalo. And believe me, ये हमारे वाले बफलोस की तरह शरीफ नहीं है, ये है बड़े खतरनाक। ये हमारी तरफ आ रहा है। स्पॉट द लेपर्ड कॉन्टेस्ट में हम बहुत घूमे पर हम हार गए He was too quick, too smart, and he totally outplayed us. Makes me think of some of the players of this DLF IPL that have totally outplayed the opposition, like Kumar Sangakkara, Herschel Gibbs, Yusuf Pathan. Wow, what a day! In just one day, we've managed to spot 4 of the big 5. All thanks to Mike the man here. Thank you very much. 216 meters, that's over 700 feet. That's the height of the Blograns Bridge, above the Blograns River. This is the world's highest bungee, and I am going to be attempting it. Wish me luck. लोग बहुत चीख रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं. Lot of screaming going on.
We are making use of a pendulum banking system. Everything is going to be smooth, there's no jerk at all during the jump. We reach a speed about 120 km per hour. With a dive forward, you try to keep your chest out, arms out, chin up.
It's easy to do it when you're not standing at the edge, right? The oldest person who jumped from here is 95 years old. No turning back now. Don't look down. I'm very nervous. I'm now very nervous.
Take 1, take 2.
Take 1, take 2, and they cover them for me. This is really being pushed into the deep end. Really, really.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was scary.
Right, where is it going? Congratulations.
The world's highest! This is the world's highest. And oh my god, what a high. Over here they say, fear is temporary, regret is forever. So for all those of you who fear facing Brett Lee, Glenn McGrath, Muthai Muralidharan or Shane Warne, it's about time you faced your fears, like I did mine.